How nice to see your back. Fantastic, very nice. You recollect, and you come like this on phone, you might be communicating with one or two. But when you come over here, the interaction is there, you'll come to know at times, how helpful it becomes to each other. How one can help other in what way. We still we are 1975 pass out. We have that at the There are कुछ नहीं बदलाव करने to our campus. Yes.
If all are coverable, some of the students can sit down over there. Can we ask them to sit? Yes. Why? From there.
So good afternoon, I am Gargi Bhule. And myself Sharayu Shekhi. Today we are here to host the tour of our school. So welcome back to school. Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's start. Let us start with the basketball court first. Basketball court was constructed, but the school have also added many games like skating matches are held, basketball is played, after that floorball is added and hockey is also played.
I think it wasn't there when you were in school. What? Was it bad? It was there.
That only that ground was not in use.
Many games like volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi are played here. Also inter-house matches are also conducted. Many athletes are on this because of this relay track.
You missed to say that Division Day was out of 7, I think.
6.
6 matches.
Under 19, sir.
And qualified for national level. Division Day. 3,000 meters. Relay it was. This year only. National level.
Plus spinach, coriander, also fenugreek are grown. The students of classes 7th, 8th and 9th are doing many projects like BFC here. Also they get knowledge of, when these crops are sold to the teaching and non-teaching staff of our school, they get the knowledge, and also bargaining is known to them. Long jump ground, here discus and shot put is played. Also here we have cricket pitch.
Agriculture college. Yeah. And this land is divided into 2 sections now, one for AIS and one for agriculture college. So the cultivation is going on under guidance of both the institutes.
Increase the number of buses, and to park this much number of buses, the school have also purchased a new land, as you can see here. Of our school. The library, also the books were less in number. So now school has a big library. Also we have many sitting arrangement here. Many languages books are present in this library, like Korean, Japanese, Sanskrit. Also this library works as a big room for activities of students done in the whole year. Here are some achievements of Rangotsav competition. Towards that go lift and let's go progress only. This is the sports room of our school. It has also built a shared display area for the pre-primary students, and first this building was made for Nehru International School, but after it is used for Amritwani International Pre-Primary. So many activities are done of class 8 and 9, like group discussions are held, debates are done, and this is a very nice play area for the pre-primary
कमी कर मग थोडी कारण अजून कमी
go outside and attend the program.
Today is the day when all memories come alive, the cherished moments are revived, a day when all bonds are strengthened and friendships are rejuvenated.
School is a dream that leaves an indelible mark on our hearts.
It's strong in affection that never fades, a place we will always cherish, a home away from home.
A day to reminisce about old times, to reconnect with former classes, and to recapture the spirit of our school days.
On this energetic and nostalgic day, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our alumni who are not just guests but an integral part of our school's history and legacy. This institution belongs to each and every one of you, and we are honored to have you back.
I would also like to welcome our respected principal ma'am, whose guidance and leadership have shaped our school what it is today.
To our mentors, teachers, educators, we appreciate your tireless efforts in shaping young minds.
And to my fellow students and friends, I am glad we are sharing these special moments together. यही से उड़ान भरी थी सपनों को साकार करने की, यही से उड़ान भरी थी सपनों को साकार करने की, आज उन्हीं पंखों को फिर से एक नई हवा देने आए हैं.
Moving towards the introduction of today's event, I would like to invite Jayashree Ma'am on stage to introduce today's program.
Madam, all presenters here. Once again, I welcome all my dear students, alumni, for the first alumni meet of Amritwani International School as well as our Sanstha. Once again, welcome you all in Amritwani International School alumni meet, proudly presented under the Mega Festival 2025. It's an initiative of the and Shikshan Vikas Sanstha, Honorable Bhalasar Polar, and Sharita Deshmukh, Managing Trustee, to reconnect with alumni of Sanstha. This year, alumni of all units have been invited to enlarge the canvas of the institute. We are thrilled to host this momentous occasion organized by our Sanstha. Today, we reunite with our esteemed alumni, celebrating the bond that unites us all, our shared experiences, memories, and values instilled in you by our beloved institution. The significance of this alumni meet cannot be overstated. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of compassionate and confident individuals. This event is of our alumni preservance and recognition of their contribution to society. It's also the opportunity for our alumni, roots, and the throughout this program, we will share stories of our alumni community, professionals to connect, share experiences, and explore potential collaboration or business opportunity. And younger students of class 8 and 9 are eager to connect with more experts and doing this all. I just want to share one poem with you. It's in Marathi. पोरांचं नाव जगता आलं पाहिजे, स्मरण युद्धात पण जगता आलं पाहिजे, सुख भोगता किंवा युद्ध पण दुःख पचवता आलं पाहिजे. रंग सावळा म्हणून काय झालं, रंग सावळा म्हणून काय झालं, कर्तृत्व तिला पुन्हा चालता आलं पाहिजे. शहाण्याचं सोंग घेऊन वेडं होता आलं पाहिजे. कशाला बळी न पडता आनंदी जगता आलं पाहिजे. जगण्याच्या लढाईत उणीव कायम असेल ती उणीव भरता आली पाहिजे. हास्य आणि अश्रूचा मिलाप करून फक्त समाधानी राहता आलं पाहिजे. आयुष्य खूप सुंदर आहे, भरभरून जगता आलं पाहिजे, भरभरून जगता आलं पाहिजे. Once again, I welcome all my dear students and my best wishes are always there with you.
To initiate this auspicious ceremony, I would like to invite our respected principal ma'am and our distinguished dignitaries to join us.
I'm feeling so happy. I cannot express my feelings to see my own children coming back. 2 days are also less for you to just share your experiences in your premises for that long period what we have spent over here. When your friends come together, you all sit together, then you remove the topics of the school, then there are many things to discuss among your friends, among your friends regarding the teachers you might be talking, what experiences you have shared, what comment did you get while teaching learning was going on, what mistakes you have made, and how you are going to encourage to come up with your skills which are imbibed in your next. I'm so happy to see you back. You should have that feeling, when you make a point to come to Sangamner, what I feel is that you should at least make an opportunity one day to visit the school so that we feel very happy to see you back there. That is, it might be during your school time you might have got some, scoldings and all, but that was what for your betterment, to make your career, to go ahead with your future aim and objective. That was really our purpose. So, but that memories you should not remember. You should remember all what could happen with yours. Isn't it? At home also, if you do mistake, you get scolding from your parents, from your mother, father, whoever is there in the house. But that does not mean that you get disappointed with them. Again, we have family. That is going to happen again and again. Whenever you do mistake, somebody is there to correct you. Isn't it? So what's definitely better the content what you got from here has never made you feel disappointed that we are falling short somewhere, because you have got the basic over here. So to go ahead, definitely there are many different things to go ahead, and how you take it ahead, that also matters, isn't it? So your experience will be shared later on, isn't it? You all might have seen the different changes taken place in our campus. Many changes have been done. I feel regret to say that you all missed many things over here. Now you might be thinking during our time this initiative was not taken, now so many things have been changed. But better change is the need of the hour. As the things go ahead, we have to also change with that, isn't it? Now as we are planning for the next year to fill the form for 11th and 12th standard, because it was a request from the very first batch, but we couldn't take that step as because of the availability of the space. Now right now, we all have visited the back building, which we have made for that. So we'll be filling the form for it so that we have space, and so we can take that step ahead.
Friends,
Now it's time to have a nice interaction with our today's alumni.
yes, you all can share your ways and experience which you got from here and which you have taken from Mango. Apple. Orange. Mango.
come towards your right side. 1, 2, 2. No. 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2,
you all to meet the alumni. Such a nice and pleasant, I can say, meeting you all in the campus. Thank you for coming. Do come for next time also. Every year we are going to have this Mega Fest. Every year, I think you were there at the time when we started Mega. So now we have started with the alumni Mega also. So we have to get connected. Whenever you need anything, don't forget us. We are always there to help you all. Whenever you need, madam is also there, your staff is there. As a management, we all are here. So please be connected and just become fresh and go from here. So new challenges and new things are going to come in your life. So I think this will help you a lot. And get connected with your old friends also. Please don't forget them, because in life the friends only can change and can make them much bigger changes. Whenever we need, they are always there. So sometimes it's every time it's happened with me. Whenever I am not able to speak with my family member, my friends are there to whom I share the things, and the problems get solved. So happy to see you all. Please come again next year. Please tell your other friends also to come, and best of luck for your life. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance.
Underline Institute. Like from senior KG, I was in Amritwani Model School, then international school. Only just because here it's not 11, 12 was not started. As ma'am said, it will start from next year. So that was missed. And again, I continued my pharmacy at Amritwani Institute only. So I would like to thank Amritwani Institute for this and for giving me this better education. Thank you, Amritwani. Then next of all, I would like to say that from this school, from international school, I got this stage day, first of all. Yeah, like when I was in pharmacy college also, I was the first one to go at stage and say something. Like just now I came here also at first only to share some news. So this school gave me this stage day, and I would like to say that Kosaki sir, he used to always tell me, Gurmeet, stand up and read one paragraph. Yes, I remember that. And for Hindi, Nilima ma'am and Kasar sir used to tell me, Gurmeet, stand up and read that paragraph. And through that, from that, my reading became so perfect, so perfect. And I would like to thank Basaki sir, Nilima ma'am and Kasar sir for this. For science, I would like to thank Ilhamdar ma'am. She developed my interest in science field. And I used to not like that math subject at all. I should know it. I was not good at maths. I तो मैंने सबसे पहले सर को यही क्वेश्चन पूछा, सर मैं मैथ्स में पास हूँ या फेल हूँ, मुझे ये बताओ। सर said you got 92% in subject maths. I was so happy at that moment, like हाथ मुझसे मैथ्स निकल गया। And afterwards also, जब मैं 11th 12th में थी, मैं और मेरी classmate में है, we were going together for 11th 12th science. At that time also, उसे भी मैथ्स नहीं पसंद था। हम दोनों ने मैथ्स मतलब लीव ही कर दिया 11th 12th के लिए, वो सब्जेक्ट ही छोड़ दिया। We were like हमें मैथ्स चाहिए नहीं हमारी जिंदगी में। Like so much hated, like so much we used to like hate that subject a lot. But फिर आगे जाके जब फार्मेसी में गए तो वहाँ पे आया जिन बच्चों ने मैथ्स नहीं किया है 11th 12th में, उन्हें वापस फर्स्ट ईयर में मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट लेना पड़ेगा। I was like shit, मैथ्स तो पीछा छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है। फिर वहाँ पे याद आई जयश्री मैम की और मनोज कुमार सर की, काश तभी पढ़ लिया होता तो मैथ्स ऐसे लगता था। इवन शिंदे सर, वो भी काफी अच्छा सिखाते थे मैथ्स। फिर उसके बाद में लाइक होता गया एंड आई वाज टॉपर इन अमृतवाणी फार्मेसी कॉलेज आल्सो। बट आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट जो स्टेज डेयरिंग है ऐसे बोलने की, सबके साथ कन्वर्सेशन करने की, वो मुझे यही प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिली है एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू दैट। एंड और एक बात, लाइक जिससे भी मैं मिलती हूँ अभी मेरे प्रेजेंट में, तो एवरीवन सेज कि यू लाइक तेरा कन्वर्सेशन हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा होता है, लाइक यू मेक आई टू आई कांटेक्ट वेरी इजीली। सो आई वाज लाइक ये मुझे धनसिंह सर ने सिखाया था। लाइक मैं अभी भी उस सर का नाम लेती हूँ, अभी भी मेरी और मेरी फ्रेंड की बात हुई कि हमें धनसिंह सर ने इतना टैलेंटेड, इतना रिस्पॉन्सिव स्टूडेंट उन्होंने बनाया है हमें, जस्ट हम दोनों की लाइक मैम, जस्ट नाउ ओनली वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट। एंड इवन सेठी मैम, शी वाज so cooperative at that time. Like we used to say that हम हमारी मदर को घर पे छोड़ के आए हैं, लेकिन स्कूल में भी हमें हमारी माँ मिली है यहाँ पे। She is like very good principal. I must like to say, and I must thank Sethi ma'am also for giving us such a nice platform and even making us capable to think about our career also. Thank you everyone. I hope you have the best of your wishes.
Normal Luni Raj. So I joined Amrutwani at I think in the 7th standard. So at that time Manoj sir was our class teacher. It was new to me. I was from state board. I was in some other school before. My onboarding was pretty smooth at Amrutwani because maybe most likely it's because of the cooperative staff. We were the second batch, so everything was new for us. Obviously, we had a batch of Gaurav and other people to guide us. But still, we were growing along with school. So school was growing, we were growing. Everything was at good pace. After that, after 10, I did the coaching for JEE. I cracked the IIT. So I did my BTech from IIT Gandhinagar. In electrical engineering, and after that for some reason I took a job in IT, not electrical, but I think that's fine. So this was briefly about what my background is, what I did. Coming to my life at Amrutwani, so I was here for about 4 years, in the 7 to 10. Those 4 years are almost not unforgettable. So those are I can't forget about them. Those are the years in which I got nurtured for myself. I won't say I have a good stage living as good name, but yeah, improving on that. Apart from that, the staff here was pretty cooperative at that time. For maths, I had first I had Manoj sir, then I had Jayashree ma'am, and then I think I had Shinde sir. I mean, I don't know, I might be confusing the sickness, but yeah, those were the people. For science, I had Inamdar ma'am. For SST, I think first I had Usha ma'am. Where is Usha ma'am? Hello ma'am. Yeah, and then afterwards I had Singh sir, then Gosal sir for SST. All of them were very cooperative teachers. They nurtured me in all the senses. So at Amrutwani, I got more like a extracurricular all-round development, I'll say. So I was even in sports for some time, a bit short, but yeah, I was in sports. So conduct sir might vouch for it. Oh, yeah. So like these 4 years, like obviously they are stepping stone towards your like other whatever the empire will build on it. But these are crucial years. So along with all the fun activities that you do have a responsibility to build something for yourself. So you need to like get serious. I'm not saying like study for like 10 hours a day. That's not required in the 7th, 10th or in the like till 10th class. Obviously after that you will have to like study for 2 years if you want to get into IIT or in need, because that's how India is going now. Like there is what can I say? There is a hurt towards those two examinations. So if you want to stand up, obviously you'll have to study, but there are other paths as well. You can do commerce, you can do like in commerce there are a lot of good things that are happening currently. Plus India currently is moving towards a stage where formal education is okay till a point, but we are also very inclined towards informal education. So technically, if you study science like 10 years from before this, or say 20 years before this, if you are from science, then you need to take a science field. But I know few people who are from science, then they dropped out of it and they pursued their passion and they are doing good. But still the number of such people is very less. So you should not idealize them that say these are the people who can what we say uncharted path and then they did something great. Those are always the exceptions in almost every country, even in the USA. So luckily I have some exposure to USA because my company is like situated there. So I see people there. We Indians are like lot more hardworking than them. Plus we have a better IQ. Apart from that, I won't compare it with the Chinese people because those are like they have a lot more competition than us. But yeah, so see, the gist of this entire thing was like to just, I just wanted to give a brief overview of what it is going for, like what is going on like outside the school meet. So here we are in a very like what we say protective eggshell. So anything that comes to us is first taken by our teachers, then by our family, and sometimes we have friends for that. But once you step out of this gate, you are on your own. So you need to figure out that what you are gonna do. Like take a path, do what you like, and then let maybe the God decide what it will be. But just give your 100% in whichever field you want. Because I think these are people from 9th and 10th, right? 8 and 9th, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, 8 and 9. So basically 9 people are gonna go in 10th and 8 in 9th. So these two are big. 10th is obviously the most crucial year in the like primary and secondary. And obviously 9th you are like building a step, like you are taking another stone to go towards 10. So yeah, that's mostly from my side. If you have any doubts, if you want to interact, just let me know. Else we can continue. It's mostly like we do waste time on us with smartphones, but if you are considering that it's like थोड़े time के लिए like you study for 6 hours and then for another half hour or 1 hour you are gonna take break, but that's fine. But I'll say just don't get addicted to the social media apps that we have currently, so like Instagram, Facebook. Those are more like how can I say that? So see, they are buying your time. So you are giving them money to sell your time. So basically, if you spend 1 hour, they are earning say a few $100 from it. So technically, you are giving your time as well as money. So the trade-off should be like if you are giving a time, you should get some money or some compensation for that. But these apps are like you give your money, you make someone earn, and also like you have vested say X amount of time for that. So this is addiction, truthfully. Apart from that, other regret is at my time there was this thing like I had to go to coaching, come back for 11th when I was in Dhruv Academy, which I had to change it well. So the one problem was about the commute. So it was a time also my decision to like go to Dhruv was also questionable. Because we didn't have 11, 12 plus at that time in Sundaner we didn't have any better coaching for JEE. So there were just two options. One was Dhruv and another was some coaching, I guess, Impulse or something. But yeah, I mean the Impulse people, they just leave away after few years. So at least I choose good. I just Dhruv over Impulse, but yeah, I mean that was one of my regrets. Like I got admitted to go in the 11th. And apart from that, yeah, I think the rest is a different path from what we have done. So I'll still say my path was like more of the familiar one. Most of people know what to do. It's 10th, it's 12th, it's JEE, engineering, whatever it is. But he did like sound engineering, which was like new to me as well. I heard about it. So
छोड़ दिया था. I went to Pune for my further studies. But whenever I came home, I made it a point कि एक बार तो स्कूल जाके आना. मेरा हो ही कि ना स्कूल जाए, और I always wanted to visit back because this was the one thing over the 6 years, the past 6 years in my life. This one thing has not changed. Other things in my life, I have moved on in different ways in careers. Regarding my friends, also many of us have lost touch. But the one thing that did not change was the school and the campus and the teachers. And whenever I came back, I felt like this is wrong. Because they always treated me with so much care, so much love, and always ma'am was like, how are you, what are you doing now? So I just want to tell you guys that this is going to be the one place wherever you go ahead in life, when you will be back here, you will feel like the years you have spent here, these are going to be one of the most valuable ones of your life. So studying and figuring out career choices, eventually you all will do that, and you all will reach amazing places because the amazing place that we have developed in this. But the one thing you will miss, and the one thing that will stick with you are the memories that you are going to make here. So I want to thank you, the school that they have invited us here today, and to all the teachers that have always been there throughout my life helping me. Thank you so much. When you see me as a person, whenever, wherever in life, from 10 years from now, one of the reasons I am this person will always be the school. Because I took my admission in Amritwani in my 5th standard, I guess, and we were just one floor in the top of modern school. This campus did not exist yet, the construction was going on. So I was here from 5th to my 10th, and everything in me has a part of AIS in it. Because if I'm here standing in front of you and talking to you, this is because of the school. Wherever I'm in life, as career-wise, I've also played cricket from our school. So in sports, and every teacher's input has been something that has shaped me in my life. So there are a lot of things.
It is like the second home for me. When I came upstairs, I was searching for my teacher there and there. Just go and come. So for me, it is like my home is first home, then this is my second home, as ma'am said. Then school is our second home. The principal ma'am, Usha ma'am, Nilima ma'am, Yashaswini ma'am, again Sarita ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Jayashri ma'am, Minandar ma'am, Goswami sir. All these were the best teachers of my life. I stepped from out. After that, I have never seen teachers like them.
Experience the joy and fervor of our festive celebrations. We commemorated various festivals including Diwali, Navratri, Christmas, promoting unity, diversity and inclusivity among our students. Witness the dreams of our students in numerous competitions including debates, quiz and sports tournaments. These competitions honed their essential skills such as teamwork, communication and problem solving, preparing them for their future challenges. So you may have looked towards the PPT. Be amazed by the outstanding achievements
कब बोले कि नहीं गाने कब कहीं बोले कब कहीं बोले सुने बेटे कब अब न बोले कि तो भूख बोले कि तो बंदे बोले कि तो स्कूल आके तो बातें बोले कि तो भाषा लगे कि तो चिकन बोले मतलब बोल दिए गाने ऐसे दिए और सारे कैश करे फ्यूचर पे अगला बोल करके दिल स्किल्स करेंगे गाने भोले भक्ता छोटी वही से वर्ड्स करे कभी तो अपने सारे साथ रखे जमरे मुझसे बोले बत्ती कैसी हो बत्ती ऐसी हो घर सोए कर रखे स्टार पिए जो संस्कार जमीन चाहे बात को तो बदलो हो लेट्स गो एक्सपेरिमेंट बोले कि नहीं गाने में कब के बोले एक्सपेरिमेंट बोले कि नहीं गाने में कब के बोले स्टैंडर्ड में आया था तभी मुझे हमारी क्लास टीचर थी नीति मैडम जो कि इंग्लिश करी थी और बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश करी थी और तब इतना मतलब स्पोर्ट्स का कुछ नहीं था इसका स्कूल में तब हम सब फ्रेंड्स वॉलीबॉल खेलते थे तो वॉलीबॉल खेलते वक्त हम इतने पागल होते थे कि हम अपना लंच छोड़ के वॉलीबॉल खेलने लगते थे सब हमारे टोटल मतलब इन प्लेयर जो रहते थे वो 6 थे पर हमारे टोटल 12 प्लेयर्स थे तो हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से खेलेंगे और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल तक हमारी जो स्कूल थी हम गए थे उधर पर नहीं हुआ था
We are proud to be the oldest students in this school actually. I still remember my admission number was 94 in this school. So we had made lots of memories over there. मस्ती भी की, खेले भी और पढ़ाई भी की और स्पेशली थैंक टू शरद सर हम हमेशा उन्हें हमारा आइडल समझते थे बिकॉज जिस डेडिकेशन से वो हमें सिखाते थे एक्चुअली उन्होंने हमें काफ़ी शेयर किया अब तक हमें वैल्यू सिखाई और हमें उन्हें देख के पता चलता कि वो अपने वर्क को लेकर कितना सीरियस और डेडिकेटेड है एक्चुअली मैं कभी से एसएसटी में अच्छा नहीं था बट जब से शरद सर आए I really starting to be curious about SST the subject.
जो पढ़ाया सबक जमाने में. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It's my great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. As William Arthur rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing is like wrapping a present and not giving it. On behalf of Amritvani International School and management, I would like to thank our Honorable Trustee, Mrs. Sharu Deshmukh ma'am, who always inspire us. I am glad to thank our beloved Principal ma'am for always encouraging us. Your presence itself is the boost of energy, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable guidance. I am glad to thank our today's guests of honor. I'll say guests because you all are here. For our aluminium, your presence make this occasion successful. Your accomplishments inspire us and your expressions have enriched our understanding of the world. We are grateful for the time you took to share your stories, wisdom and insights with us. नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं। कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशाओं को बदलो तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं। We are very happy to see that all of you are well settled in your life. We feel so proud of you. You all set an example to the school that will last till the end. You are the role model of for these students. Like you, after 10 years, they will also stand here to share their experience. Now, new ones are getting more opportunities than you had, but you have proved yourself with whatever you had in your heart. You brought glory to our school. You have set an example for others that is described in these lines. हौसले बुलंद कर रास्तों पर चल दे, तुझे तेरा मुकाम मिल जाएगा। बढ़कर अकेला तू पहल कर, देखकर तुझको काफिला खुद ब खुद बन जाएगा। I extend my sincere thanks to teaching and non-teaching staff for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. Last but not least, I thank all the students for sharing their interest in the program and interacting with our today's alumni. I once again thank each one of you who contributed directly and indirectly to make this event successful. I officially declare that this program is